So guys, this is the new kit, air kit that I bought. Let me pull it out of this package. So this is it. So it's really chrome. It looks, man, it looked good on a white bike. Got the air kit filter already in it. I'm gonna take another break. I'm gonna pull these bolts out so we can see the center, because I went a different route this time. Man, that I like it. Let me pull this together. Pull it apart, I should say. You know what? I might not have had to pull this apart after all. But this is it pulled apart. So you get the little stands or the spacers there. It's a good looking unit. I like it. So this, I thought that was a piece of cardboard. That is not cardboard, y'all. That is not cardboard. Here's your air filter that would come with it, and that's your back plate. Now the bad thing is, this actually looks great. The bad thing is, I wouldn't even use that. That would be tossed to the side. There would be no use for it, because I'd have to get a new back plate made. That's the way I've been doing it. That big throat, that's for a Harley. It might work with our duals, I don't know, but I've just been doing a whole new back plate. Alright, so let's peel this apart. And man, that took a long time. Getting the pieces off, the little stickiness. Alright, so that's it. I always thought that with that plexiglass, you could put some kind of vinyl graphic on it. You could put some lettering on it. The other great thing is you could put a light in there, and it could light the whole thing up. And if you did a really nice lettering job or something, or just any design, you light it up, it could look pretty sick. But really like it. And I think it could look really good on this bike. Just that cream, white, goldish, beige, and just more chrome. The only problem that you have, I don't know why I hit that button. The only problem you have with these things is I've got a shop that'll do this work for me, a fab shop. And any of you that have looked at the Blue and Black bike, you know I've got a cutout kind of very similar to this, just a back plate. Now, a lot of people just get the round just like this, just like they've just got the round piece, right, for the back plate. I could do that, okay? But the reason, we probably never talked about the reason we don't do that. The reason we don't do that is because back here, there's a box back here. A gray box, and up here, right back here, can we get back there? There's actually some wires, okay? I know you see some of them, but there's actually some right back there as well. So by doing it the same design, basically that Kawasaki did it, covering up a lot of stuff that would be an eyesore. And that's kind of why I do it the way I did it on the last bike. But I'll probably get with that shop if I decide to go in this direction. And there's just something in me that wants me to do it, but I've got to be smart about this. And I'm not the smartest. If I do it, I'll probably do one. But if anybody ever wants one, I mean, I could try to get a number together for what it would cost. I mean, probably any shop could do it. But it is a little bit easier when you've already got it, you know, figured out. Which there's not a lot figured out, I'll be honest with you. But, you know, just talk to your local shop. You could probably get something done. Okay, I've rambled, guys, and I've gotten absolutely nothing done. So, I think that's it. We went through a lot of stuff without anything really happening, other than me telling you a little bit about that bar. So, go get some oil, if I even post this video. I don't know. Alright guys, see you next time.